Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is Apple Watch band leather that is compatible with the 42mm or the 44mm for Apple Watch series 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a sports edition, dark brown color. It is well made and then attractive style. The strap made of stainless steel and doesn't rust. It has a durable metal buckle, quality stitching. It also has extended screws depth, added glue to prevent from falling off. It also has a superior material, breathes better than other material brand, soft suede leather, and smooth genuine leather. It is pretty comfortable and sturdy on the wrist. So they have a black color, brown, and then a dark brown. The one that I'm going to unwrap, this one is the dark brown color. And this is by Ricele. So let's go ahead and open this up. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It says genuine leather band for Apple Watch. So they also have 38mm or 40mm. This one is 42mm / 44mm. So and it is made in China. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, it smells genuine leather. So you got this stainless steel. So these are the high quality stainless steel. It would never rust. Got the nice stitching around the leather strap. And you have this double loop. So your strap will fit into its place. Got this nice heavy duty buckle. So this one is fixed, and then this one you could move around. You could adjust this and move this around to your comfort zone. And this light brown part right here, this is suede, soft suede material. So it's pretty easy on your skin. You have this hole to adjust to your wrist size. So let me put on the wrist real quick, see how it's gonna look. So here's what it look like around your wrist. pretty nice. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the description for this Apple Watch leather strap. They got multiple colors that you can choose from. As you know, the Christmas and holidays coming up soon. So this will be a good present. This will be a nice gift. So I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.